Waiting, tell me, sister. This thing when our daddy Gio talk, what do you think about them? Say make woman not marry man when no get work. A woman, see me not marry man. I be woman when no fit pray 1 hour. I beg, tell me.
I don't get any opinion.
Which so your opinion don't finish?
I think my opinion finish.
He say make woman not marry man when no get work. And also make man
that kind of one.
not marry woman when not fit pray for 1 hour. What do you think about this talk?
Me for the thing why yourself. Not you ask, but I want to put my something there.
Yeah, I beg, tell me, bro, what do you think?
As person say marry woman, we no.
When not go fit pray 1 hour, be man, not make you not marry man when he not get work.
I no good now. You know say na person where there for grand goes after he go still reach up.
Abi? Okay.
You no get work. Yeah, I no get work before now. But now I get work. I do 100%. I go for 45 years. You know, I do my things. Hey, G, that's him now.
So now, so you think?
Yeah, but let me tell you something. I live here for like 12 years. I know the time we come begin. Not beside I don't chop money, but we don't see many things. We don't get work before, but we will get now. You know, for many years we don't work. Even you too, where they thought you don't get before, but we get
now. I get work.
They enjoy, bro.
I don't tell you. So, sister, what do you think?
It's nice we get work now.
So, but you go marry man when not get work. You fit marry man when not get work. Why?
No, I not marry man when not get work. I'll take the flesh. I'll take the.
Okay, yeah, I
so you feel marry woman when we say not fit pray for 1 hour?
No,
okay.
I don't feel married because me I know fit pray. I need person who go pray more than 2 hours. So
okay, good.
When
they talk, when the internet say that is you say make we not marry woman when not fit pray for 1 hour, or make man not marry woman when no make woman not marry man when not get work. What do you think?
Problem.
No, it's not the record. It's not the record.
In the record.
Now I play I was. No, if you feel talk, bro, because sister, you not be small picking now. So if you advise us when we youths, as I be there, I be 20 years. If you advise us, say marry woman when not feel pray, or marry woman when feel pray. What do you think?
For that prayer, you know, me, I don't know what to say about that word.
Okay, what about the work on?
The work on. When God give the person work, you go work now.
So, but your picking when be girl, you go allow and marry man when not get work.
No, how you go marry man when not get work?
Why?
Go eat now.
Okay. So you support that the GO?
I support her, eh?
So for your own now, be saying not marry woman when not marry man when not get work. Now you support.
What
you want is nothing.
You can still get work later.
If money they happy, enjoy.
You don't marry
nice clothes,
you don't marry.
Nice shoes,
you don't marry
nice makeup.
Okay, when you marry your husband and get work.
My husband get work.
Before you marry him?
Yes.
Okay, so you did. Now you both be husband?
Yes.
So you did advise him person marry or not get work or not?
I did advise person marry somebody get work. If you get work, you will get future.
What about if you not get work
But
before?
many people, if they don't like to work.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nigerians.
Yes.
Nigerians.
So white men also,
don't tell me.
they don't like to work. They have the opportunity to work.
Yes.
They don't want to work.
Okay.
I mean, if
So
you're
because
not
of-
working,
okay.
you are lazy.
Okay,
You
so
are
because of
nothing.
that, you don't want to make women marry them.
No.
Okay,
They
good.
have to work.
Thank you. 10 Nigerians. We don't online. 10 Nigerians.
Yes.
Internet is breaking. You know why? Because it's falling down. The internet want to kaput. Because some group of people are fighting against the Daddy GO, the founder of Redeemed Christian Church of God. Because he said that women shouldn't marry men who doesn't have a job. And don't marry a man who doesn't have a job. What can you say about this?
A man who doesn't have a job.
Yes.
I think marriage is a partnership.
Yeah?
I think not having a job is not a lifetime thing. I think it's just a short time. If he shows you that he's looking for a job and he wants to get something to do, why not marry the
So
person
what
you
is your
love?
idea? Are you saying now that what is said is wrong?
It is 100% wrong.
Life.
As long as the man is hardworking, he shows you he wants to do something,
Yeah?
go and marry the man you love.
Thank you so much, 10 Nigerians. the ladies, the youth, young ladies should not marry a man who doesn't have a job.
He knows why he said that. you know, he knows what he said. For me,
no, for you, is it right or wrong in your own take, your own opinion?
I feel love is the ultimate. So
okay.
No matter what job.
So you confirm wrong.
I don't know what to say.